to fix Modern Warfare 3 DirectX Unrecoverable Error. And if your game won't run, let me ask you, are you launching Modern Warfare 3 and seeing a DirectX Unrecoverable Error that crashes the game immediately? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, DirectX files are corrupted, or system components block proper rendering. Sometimes recent Windows updates, GPU conflicts, or background apps also trigger this error. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky driver reinstalls, complicated DirectX fixes, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not launch the game. But on Rexus, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact GPU driver, DirectX path, and system configuration that causes Modern Warfare 3 DirectX Unrecoverable Error. This works because it restores proper graphics, rendering, and game startup. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows PCs. Once you apply it, Modern Warfare 3 launches normally. Gameplay runs smoothly and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexus shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Modern Warfare 3 DirectX Unrecoverable Error is stopping your gameplay and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact